Today, I'm going to talk to you about brain tumors. There are a lot of myths and disbeliefs and fear about brain tumors. I would try to clear some of them. Any abnormal growth in any part of the body is called tumor. Similarly, any abnormal growth in the brain is called a brain tumor. So there is always one of the myth that is all brain tumors cancerous, and the answer is no. Every type of tumor has got two different types. One is called benign, that is non-cancerous, and one is malignant, that is cancerous. So brain tumors also is being divided into a non-malignant or a benign part and a cancerous or a malignant tumors. And believe me, both are kind of treatable nowadays. So at present, we haven't come to one point of cause or an etiology for this brain tumor. There are some genetic reasons for which there are some brain tumors which can happen, which is called NF1, NF2, that is neurofibromatosis 1 and 2, which can lead to tumors in the young and multiple tumors in the brain and the spinal cord. But per se, there is no specific reason. One of the reasons which had come lately is radiation due to mobile. So people regularly come and ask me that did I use a lot of mobile, that's why this has happened? So the answer is no. That radiation is definitely harmful, but it is not to that extent that it will give rise to a brain tumor. So presently we don't know the exact cause, but yes, genetic factors are present, definitely. Every brain tumor, now not just brain tumor, any lesion in the brain, let it be a bleed or let it be anything, would give rise to features of headache. That will be one of the most common reasons. But you don't need to fear all headaches, because headache is something which is very common. But there are some specific headaches which you need to be worried about. One of the headaches, like the headaches which are coming early in the morning, or which are associated with projectile vomiting, a vomiting which with nausea, it just comes and goes. A headache which is associated with some unconsciousness, an unconsciousness without headache, an episode of seizures or fits or convulsions. So these are one of the features, these are general features of a brain tumor. Other features are depends upon where is the tumor located. Now, for example, if the tumor is located on the frontal part of the brain, I will explain you with one of the module here. Now, if this is there, this is the brain part. So this is the frontal part, this is the parietal, this is the temporal part. Now, if the tumor happens here, then the patient will have personality changes. People will come and say that he's behaving a little absurd, he shouts, and he's not in control of his anger. Patient itself also comes and says that looking at the TV, I get really upset. If somebody is doing, I get so angry that I want to break the TV off. So these all are personality changes. If the tumor comes here, now this is the area of the motor cortex, where the patient will have weakness on the opposite side. Like if it is a right-sided tumor, then the left side will get weakness. If the tumor is coming at this area, then the patient will mainly have fits, or the patient will have speech issues, memory issues. If the tumor is coming here on the posterior side, then there will be vision issues. Similarly, if there are many tumors which come on the lower part of the brain, then you have got hormonal issues and again vision issues. So it all depends upon where is the tumor located.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos on cancer care.